India for Technical Education Private Limited welcomes you for tutorial on MS Office 2013 Word. Today we are going to work on page layout in MS Office document. In page layout we are learning how to add specific margins in our document while printing and while representing. When we click on margin, we will have various settings predefined for our document. If we need to have centralized data execution or data representation, we can go for wide. If we want large data to be represented in same area, equal distribution of spacing, then we can go for narrow. Normal distribution is defined where from top, bottom, left and right end of page we will leave 1 inches of space. Same way in custom settings we may have sizes which are away from our end edges as 0.69 from top, 0.79 from bottom, from left 1 inch, from right 1 inch. We will have various settings through which we can represent our document and we can add spacing in our page. We may have two representations. It may be horizontal landscape representation or vertical portrait representation. We can go for mirror margins in different pages. We can go for book fold, means our system will represent book fold in between our pages. Mirror margins can be defined, 2 pages per sheet can be defined, bookfold can be defined as per our requirement. We'll go for portrait, same formations are going to be available to us in MS Office Word. What we should do is just add that representation. We can apply that to particular document on selected text or on whole document. Paper size we can define, we can go for letter format, legal sizes, executive sizes, A3, A4, band papers, envelopes, custom size what we can set. And layouts available are depending on the criteria. Now we will learn how to orient our page. If we need report text representing in vertical way, we can go for portrait format, and if we want it in horizontal format we can go for second, that is landscape. Here we are having both cases available. First page is representing portrait format and second page is representing landscape format, vertical and horizontal orientation. We can even change sizes of our page as per our requirement and representation of a report. We can add multiple columns of the text what we have selected. If one is defined, we will have single column format. If I'll go for 2, it will be splitted in 2. If I'll go for 3, your text will be splitted in 3. Left orientation will have in left I will have text which is centered for 1/3 portion of our page and 2/3 portion is covered by other text. Same way if I am going for right, 2/3 portion of text is covered in left and 1/3 portion of text is covered in right. We can go for addition of columns. We can represent multiple columns with height and width and spacing from the end as per our requirement. We can insert page breaks from our required region. If I am inserting page break over here, then my text from that particular space would be available in next page. And if I'm adding anything over here, it will not affect our next page. In general text formation, if I'm adding something over here and clicking it, my word spacing is switched. Word spacing is switched in next page. But if I am placing page break, then if I am writing anything in this region, it will not affect my work. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will be able to understand landscaping and page layouting of your Word document. Thanks.